what's up, guys? What's up? What's up? How you doing? How you doing, guys? I'm sorry this channel has been so cold. I'm so sorry about that. Right. I've been very, very busy serving my country, and a lot has been happening. You understand? So please, I'm so sorry. Forgive me for that. And now I'm back. All right. I can't say 100% back, but to some level, I am back. All right, I am back to give us content, to give us videos on trading and the rest of that. Very soon, we are going to be doing market recaps. How did the week go? How the week went? How the month went? And the rest of that. We are going to be doing trader talk, live trader talk. All right. So this is something just came to my mind. I get to realize that a lot of beginner traders do not know how to use MT5, MetaTrader 5. All right, as a trader, you are supposed to familiarize yourself with the applications that you're supposed to be using to trade. So I got to realize that majority of beginners traders do not know how to use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, but the popular one that we use is called MetaTrader 5. All right, it's called MetaTrader 5. You understand? That is where you place your buy, you place your sell, you enter your broker details, and the rest of that. Okay. So without wasting any time, let's get right into this main content of today. All right. Okay. Here I have MetaTrader 5 with me, and you can see for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using this demo account. All right, this contest demo account. Don't worry, I'm going to be using this demo account. So now this demo account here, this is MetaTrader 5. You open MetaTrader 5. All right, you open MetaTrader 5. This is what you are going to see. So these are some of the things that you are going to see. Manage accounts. You click on manage accounts. This is an Android phone, all right, but for iOS is different. All right, it's different. It's different, but for iOS is different. So this is it. So now um if you click on this three stuff like menu here, if you click on this menu here, you click on this. Let me go back to the record and see if I can have a brush. Okay, what's all this at? If you click on this menu here, okay, you click on this menu here, which hope I'm not just blabbing, I'm also recording. Let me see. Okay, let me just take the risk. If you click on this menu here, okay, this menu, you click on this one, this stuff, this highlighted. All right, so you click on it. Hmm? If you click on it, all right, you're going to see manage accounts. So when you click on manage account, it's going to show you the list of accounts that you've added. Now there's a plus sign here. I don't know if you are seeing this plus sign. For example, let me log into this account. Let me log into this account. Okay. And okay, guys, I tried to use Headway. It wasn't working, and it was just giving me a lot of stupid stress. You understand? Okay, I assume that majority of us know how to know SNES, alright? But what's going to happen is that if you don't know SNES, and you want me to do a video on how to trade and open an account on SNES, please drop a comment below so that I can be able to do that, right? Because the focus of this video was on is on MT5, right? MetaTrader 5. So I'll use SNES. Okay, I'll use my SNES account. I'll use my SNES account. SNES, open a SNES Technology Limited. We're going to go to trial 9. So they will enter the password again. Alright, so they will log in. Okay. Why is it not reflecting here? This should be network. Okay. The demo account has reflected, right? Now this is it. Now we have the account here. Now you can see balance is $100,000. Equity, that is a demo account, alright? It's a demo account, it's not real account. Alright, equity is $100,000, free margin is 100,000. Now there are difference between these three concepts. There are different between these three concepts. Now, first of all, the balance signifies the amount that you have currently, which is the balance, alright? The amount that you have currently, and the equity signifies where the P&L, that is that the profit and loss when you are losing and you're making money. For example, if I place a trade now, I come here, I place a trade. The pairs I trade are gold and Bitcoin. I click on that is the base for gold is XAUSD. So I'll add it. This are your add pair. These are your add pair. You click on plus. You search the pair, for example, USD JPY. Alright, USD JPY. Today is Sunday, so the market is not open. So I don't think these pairs are going to, but I'm going to try and put BTC so that I'll use it to explain what I'm trying to explain to us in this video. So I'll click on plus. Alright, then I'll go to the pair. I'll click on chart. Alright, I'm going to open it. That is going to open the chart for me. I'm going to see everything on the chart. You understand? So today is Sunday, the market is not open. Alright, then if I go back here, this is where you see the chart, this is where you see your trade floating, bear profit to loss, without profit or loss. This is where you see the history. This is it. I think the issue why this thing is slow like this is because of network. So the chart has loaded already. So now if I want to edit some pairs that I don't want to have all this shit here, all this list of different pairs here, I'm going to click on this pen size. All this is you're seeing this pen size. I'm going to click it. Then I'm going to click on delete. So I'm going to mark all the pairs. Note that any pair that you want to delete, it must not be the pair that you have opened on this chart. Any pairs that you want to delete, it must not be the pair that you have opened in this chart. So I'm going to click on this plus. I'm going to delete all these ones. I'm going to be deleting all of them. Okay. You can see you can see that the blue tick, the blue check is what is sharp here, but when it comes to USD JPY is blur. So that is because USD JPY is open on the platform. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to delete all of this. Then it should remain gold and BTC. So I'm trying. Let me try and BTC USD USD sharp. So now I can use BTC to explain for the sake of this video. All right. Now I open BTC. I open chart. All right. I open chart. Okay. For example, now I'm currently planning on selling Bitcoin at a particular price, for example. So because there are different kind of orders, but the two orders we use majorly are market execution and limit order. Market execution and what limit order. So if I want to use a limit order now, you see this stuff that look like pen. This that look like clock symbol, or what do I call it? Understand? This is the place for buyers. This if you want to buy, you sell here, for example. Okay, accept. You click OK. You sell. You want to buy, you buy. You understand? So that means that I'm buying at the current market price. All right, that means that I'm buying at the correct market price. But what if in a situation whereby I want to buy at I don't want to buy immediately. I've seen a nice entry and I want to sell or I want to buy. So what if I want to do that? What if I want to do that? So I'll just okay, for example, look at this one now. Let me close this trade. And close this trade. Now there are two different things of closing trade. All right, I can close all positions. I can close profitable positions, and I can close losing positions. You understand? I can close profitable position. I can close losing position, and I can close all positions. You understand? So there are different ways of doing that. Or I can decide to come here. If I click on this first one, I'm going to be closing everything. Then if I click on this one, I'm going to be closing this particular trade. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. I'm going to be closing this particular trade. So for example, if I close this one now, you say we close this trade. So now it's now calculating the net profit, the net loss for me now, the P&L for me now, because well, I'm closing all the positions. You understand? So same thing goes with this one too. If I want to close, then this pen here is for modification. If I want to modify the trade, if I want to modify the trade, I can just click on this pen. It will motivate. Maybe the stop loss is maybe the stop loss is 50,000 15,000 US dollars, for example. 50,000. You can see that is shown. Okay, I've modified it. Stop loss is $50,000. Then I like um where I like um MT5 these days is the fact that you can be able to know the amount you are losing on the chart. All right, where's $50,000? Look at my SL. So you're saying that if the market goes against me, I'm going to be losing $194 on this account. You understand? I'm going to be losing $194 on this account. Sure you get. Wait, it's like I'm seeing a trade signal here. Let me see. I've closed it like that. So I can click like this now and close the trade. It's going to close. Sure you understand. So market is very simple these days. This trade. I'm seeing a trade signal there. I'm seeing a trade signal. Seeing a trade signal. Okay. 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 That's a push downward. The market broke structure. Alright. Market broke structure here on 15 minutes time frame. Pullback. It pullback. We had a little pullback. That pullback served as an inducement. I know this is not part of this video, but I'm just trying to see if we can get a signal here. Then market pullback. So this is a swing low, and this swing low does not have an inducement. So this low is already automatically an inducement, and we have a rangy POI, a base there. So I'm thinking of buying from that zone if the market meets up with my terms. If the market should break below the inducement, I'm not buying. I'm not buying. So this is a clear inducement and POI, inducement and order flow. But this order flow is not actually the real order flow that I would have loved. I would have loved something like this. All right, I would have loved something like this. As the market went up, the next candle should took out the prime candles low, then break structure. I should have loved that, but still yet it's still manageable because if I see inducement and I see any POI from my trade, I do take the trade. So that's one of the principles I set. You understand? But we are switch very bullish on 4 hours time frame. We are switch bullish. And this video is getting long. Let me go back to the main focus of today. We have seen bullish on 4 hour time frame, internal structure, and switch bullish on the 4 hour time frame. So let's see how it's going to be. Probably we are going to get a push upward, then sell, mitigate 50% of this zone, or take out this loss and inducement. If the loss does not produce an inducement, then we buy. So that's what I'm looking at here. But till then, we don't know what this market is going to do. Anything can happen. So as I was saying, this is buy, this is sell. Then if I want to hide these two buy and sell on button, I'll just click here. You see it's hidden. Then I'll click it back again. So yeah, I can increase lot size. I can decide to enter with 11 lot size. If I buy with 11 lot size, don't worry, it's a demo account. I buy with 11 lot size. You understand? Buy with 11 lot size. You can see I'm making profit. All right. So see how much I'm losing immediately now. So that is 99,999.77. So they collected the commission of okay, no, we closed some trades, sorry, my bad. We closed some trades, which is 1.91. This one, that's why the balance reduced because no profit. So I can close this operation now. I can close this trade now. I can close this one now. You understand? That's the level of access for you. I can close this. That's why we have to grow as traders. All right. I'm going to make another video on how to manage your account properly, how to grow as a trader, to make more funds so that you can secure funds for yourself and grow. You understand? Because using 0.01 is not going to take us anywhere, man. It's not going to take us anywhere. You understand? We are still growing. I'm growing. We're all growing. It's not going to take us anywhere. So we have to grow, manage huge amount of funds. You understand? So, but we just have to stick to the growth because we can't buy our way up there. We can't manipulate our ways there. All right. So that's it. So that's it for this video. These are the pair. The market is not open today. That's why you see gold is not moving. It's not moving. It's not moving. But BTC, you can see I can enter with any lot size that I want to enter. I can enter with 10 lot size, 76 lot size. I can buy it. I can buy it with 76 lot size. Done. You understand? Buy it with 76 lot size. It just that it's the money that is going to blow. I can buy it with 76 lot size, and market is just going to. You understand? So that's it. That's the market for you. That's how the big boys make money. Yeah. That's how the big boys need make money. So you have to consider your risk. So if you want to know your risk, for example, probably maybe for example now maybe my stop loss is here. Okay, my stop loss is that I'm going to be losing $68,000 if the market goes against me. You understand? What if it goes in my favor for that big amount of loss? Don't go and do this normally. I'll be making $118,000. That's how these boys double their account. Jesus. But there's no problem, sure. They can afford the risk, that's why they take it. So I've entered it like that. So I'll be seeing how much I'm risking and how much I'm losing on this pair. So that's it for that, guys. Thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. I want to see more of you on this channel. God bless you. Happy Sunday. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to share, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell when I drop content again. So now I'll be dropping content from time to time. I'm almost done with my service, all right? I'm almost done serving my country. So I'll be dropping content back to back as soon as I'm free, so that we can learn, we can grow together, and explore the market together as traders. Thank you very much. I'm not going to be closing this. I can't close in loss, you understand? I can't close in loss, you understand? The profit enter my eye. But everywhere will good. Everywhere will good. Everywhere will good. Everywhere will be good. Everywhere will be good. Don't worry, guys. That's how money is, man. That's how money means in trading. Making 600, you're losing. You're making 600, you're losing. That's how it is, man. That's how it is. That's how it is. That's how it is. Thank you very much. Thank you.